They fit absolutely perfect over these guys. They just sit right like that. So what I do is I just get a couple of those and I spray them black like so. And I use the... What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video we're going to switch our wheels back to the ponies, and I'm going to show you a neat little cap for the windshield wiper head. So let's go. Alright, so in our last video, you guys saw I tried on the Odin DSO5s. I really like the look. The fronts fit perfect, but the back do rub quite a bit. I've tried everything to rectify it. Yes, the rear quarters are rolled. I hardened the... I tightened up the Koni shocks. I've raised the rear end. They're just too big with them being a 10.5 inch, and I haven't measured it yet, but I do believe that's a SN95 rear end, which as you guys know kicks the wheels out a little bit further, so that's not helping. So before I wreck some really expensive tires, I've decided that I'm just going to put the chrome ponies back on. The rear is a 17x9. It fits right in there, and I can get the stance that I want. The only way that I could make those fit is if I really raise the car up quite a bit, which I just don't like that look. So I'd rather have it a little bit lower. Of course, the other alternative would be to shorten the axles to squeeze the wheels in, which I don't want to do at the moment. So in the meantime, I'm just going to put the ponies back on and not worry about the rub and just enjoy the car. And then I'm going to show you a neat little cover that I've kind of just come up with over the years. I don't know if anyone else does it, but I thought I'd share it with you. All right, so let's get started. Actually, before I even swap the tires, I'm just going to clean them up on the inside. I'm going to clean the drums up, but for anyone that's curious, the fronts are a 17x8 with a ET25, and I'm running a 235 4517 rubber. The rubber's old. It does definitely need to be changed, but one thing at a time. All right, that's much better. Each time I take them off at season end or whatnot, now I'll do that every time, and they'll continue to get better and better. But you can see already the difference of how much cleaner the drum is versus before. Actually, the one that I was just cleaning was worse than this one, so, but much better. The back wheels are a 17x9, but I can't make out the ET on either rim, but they fit really nice. You can, really tuck the wheels in on the car. And I'm running a 275 40 17, and same thing as the fronts. I'm going to clean up the drums. You can see they got some good dirt there. Doesn't look like anyone's ever cleaned those ever, so I'm going to have my hands full with that one. So here's the wheel after. Looks much better compared to what it was. It's there's a little bit of pitting on the drum from the elements sitting on it probably for years on end. The brake dust and whatnot, all that stuff eats into paint and these finishes. But nonetheless, the wheel, the drum area here looks a lot cleaner and a lot better for probably the first time they've ever been cleaned. Other than that, that's it. I'm going to do the same thing to the other back wheel, and then we're going to carry on with the swapping of the wheels. This guy's the best. He's just chilling with us. He's catching some shade here. It's really hot and muggy outside, so I don't blame him. It's something like 31 degrees with the humidity, 40 degrees, so whatever that is in Fahrenheit, but it's really hot and sticky. Anyways, we're going to start swapping the tires and keep going forward. Moving on to the wiper blade heads here. I'm going to show you guys what I use to cover them with. I don't run the wiper blades. They're in the trunk. I just kind of like that clean look of the windshield being wide open. And yeah, it kind of ties in with the delete plate. So a little bit cleaner look. I know I got the 2 gauges sticking out there. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with them, but they're very functional actually, so they're kind of growing on me. But nonetheless, anyway, so what I use is these little guys here. This is your this is the cover for your you know, the mini shift lights. They fit absolutely perfect over these guys. They just sit right like that. So what I do is I just get a couple of those and I spray them black like so. And I use the Lando, the SEM Lando black paint, paint code 15013. Let's see if you guys can get that. Yep. And that stuff is designed to stick to plastic and whatnot. I've done it time and time again, and it works perfect. So once they're painted, you just slip them on, and obviously I can't reach the other side. Just kind of finishes it, gives it that extra little detail and cleaned up look. So I hope you guys like that little trick, and that's about it. So all you need is just the again, the pen light cover and some SEM paint, and you're good to go. I'm going to go pop on the other one. All right, that's it for today, guys. I know these are a bunch of little things, but keep in mind these little things make big differences on the look of the car overall. We got the ponies back on. I readjusted the stance, and the car looks great. Either way, I'm happy with it, but I did want to try the Odins out. That being said, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know we appreciate all your support, you know, coming to our live stream. And we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.